Floral is not a very easy pattern to work with. I think a lot of floral options that are out there are not really that great. They don't elevate your style and they are a pain to work with. So watch this video if you want to learn about ways you can style floral, what floral designs you should buy, and how to keep your style on the minimal and current side. Yes, floral is actually trending right now, and I covered it in my ultimate guide to fall winter 2023-2024 fashion trends. You can go watch that video to learn about other fashion trends and ways you can adapt to these trends. But on top of that, the shows for spring summer 2024 are out, and there are tons of florals there as well. Floral is trending right now, but do you need to have something with floral design or the floral print? No, the short answer is no. If your goal is to build your wardrobe, you're trying to focus on the essentials and must-haves for every season or for the year round, floral doesn't really have a place there, so you don't really need to have anything floral, and the best choice is to rewear what you already have. If you weren't very confident to rewear your floral sweater or something, now fashion gives you that extra confidence to bring them out because they're trendy right now and kind of rewear them. So why are we talking about it if floral is not like a must-have or essential for your wardrobe and it's better to rewear whatever you have? Why are we talking about it? Because I think knowing how to shop and style floral can be a big asset for you in your fashion skill. In women's clothing, it's such a feminine pattern, very popular pattern for spring and summer, and you're gonna come across floral so often. And it's really good to know how you can work around what you can buy to make your style kind of easier and kind of keep it current. What items are good to get in floral, with floral pattern? I think the best things you can get is like a summer dress and dresses in general, and tops, shirts, anything you wear on your upper body. I'm totally against putting lots of pattern, especially something like that, for your bottom, because you don't really need, when it comes to upper body and lower body, you want to add the variety and those bold moves with your upper body. You don't need to kind of involve your pants, your skirt, and everything in those kind of bold moves. You don't need so many pants, you don't need so many skirts or shirts. You can always, go for the upper body for tops and shirts when you want to have a little fun, you want to try something new. And a summer dress is like a winter coat. If you remember, long time ago, I made a video about the coat, how you're supposed to style your coat and how dominant your coat is during fall and winter to kind of dictating your style. And for summer, the equivalent of that wool coat or whatever coat you wear is going to be the summer dress, because that's the dominant part of your style. All you need to add is a bag and shoes, and that's all you need to do. So you don't really need to go through all the rules when you are planning to get floral summer dress. You can go with whatever pattern and you can go with whatever color and kind of put together just probably a matching bag and shoes, something simple, black, and that probably works, or white neutral. So you don't really need to think a lot if you go for like a summer dress, and that won't really affect your whole wardrobe. It's just one item and that's about it. And the worst things you can get in floral is your essentials. For example, if you wear one single coat 5 days out of 7, you don't want that to have a floral pattern. You don't want it to limit every single outfit you're trying to put together. You want something simple, basic, timeless for your coat. Or for example, if you are planning to have only a few pumps and heels, you are kind of leaning towards the capsule wardrobe and you don't want to have a ton, you shouldn't go for like heels like this one. This is for someone who has all the basics, has all the neutrals, and they want to kind of go from there and expand their shoe collection. So definitely don't think of floral for your essentials, especially if your wardrobe is small. For example, if you have 20 coats, one in floral won't really impact you. But if you're planning to have 4 coats and you don't want to, shop a lot or change your outfit so drastically, going for floral is not a good option. Since I put together the guide when I put floral as a macro trend on my list, I've been thinking about how am I going to kind of strategize how to shop floral, how to style floral. And I came to this conclusion. I think there are 3 different ways, 3 rules that you can follow and kind of use floral in your style and still keep your style more towards the minimalist look. Same color detail. If you pay attention to a lot of lingerie, if you pay attention to a lot of women's dresses, you see there are a lot of lace and there are a lot of embroidery detail on these clothes. And if you pay attention, most of the time the pattern or embroidery or whatever they're doing is floral. If you look at it, it's something floral. And I think the easiest way you can add floral to your style is going for the same color detail. That detail can be in so many different ways. As I said, it can be like an embroidery. It can be, for example, a little bit of a crystal work on your dress, which is actually trending right now as well. It can be like a little sequin. For example, look at this one that I found. It's very simple sweater, even in actually neutral color, and it has a little bit of a flower on it as a detail with, I think, sequin. So something like this can be very easy to work with because you are literally dealing with a basic sweater. You don't need to do anything. It only has a little bit of a detail on it, and everything else is just like how you would style your simple sweater. Another way you can add florals to your style is going for the neutral base. Floral patterns normally have a lot of color. The flowers are vivid, bold colors, pink, orange, green leaves, and, things like that. The colors are pretty bold. And if you like that type of colors, it's best to go with a, neutral base. For example, I really like red floral detail on a sweater. That's my favorite. Normally what I go with is a black base and then I pick the red detail on it, because the black is basically what I wear most of the time. Although I shouldn't be adding another pattern to my style, that can go with a lot of simple, for example, pants, shoes, and whatever I have. If going with a neutral base isn't your thing, you want to go for something colorful, you can pay attention to the detail, to the floral print that it has on it. Make sure it doesn't have so many color. 2, maximum 3 is gonna be enough. It's very chic, very beautiful, doesn't really limit the main color you want to go with, and at the same time it's not too much. It's kind of low-key floral, and I really like that as well. So that was all, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and kind of ring the bell if you want to get notification when I upload new videos. I don't have a very rigid schedule, so this way you won't miss any of the videos I upload, and I will see you in the next video.